This hearing wasn't about paperwork or excuses. The defendant was already on felony probation for a shooting. Then police found him in a car with multiple guns. The judge's response was swift and expensive.
Good morning, are you Desarian Adams? And this is cause numbers 23, DCCR 0492 and 0493. Mr. Adams is on probation in each of those cases for the third-degree felony offense of deadly conduct discharging a firearm. Placed on probation September 26th of 2023. Looks like the allegations in those motions are an alleged new offense of fleeing from a police officer in December of 2025, unlawful carrying a weapon December of 2025, failing to associate with disreputable persons or be present at a location where a criminal act was committed, failing to report the arrest, failing to perform community service, out past curfew, possessing a firearm in violation of probation, behind and seized in both cases. Mr. Burbank has filed a motion asking that I set a bond in each of the cases. He's on deferred probation, and at this time there's no bond. Is that correct? Mr. Burbank, you may, Mr. Adams, best you can, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Thank you. Mr. Burbank, you may proceed. Sure. I need everybody to hold it down. I need you to speak up. Thank you. That's what I was looking for. No, any objection to stage one?
One of the things that we are lacking is, I mean, so, firearms in back to the firearms was next to that. No one put his ownership. The Lord stresses with season non-constitutional so with that, Judge, the other thing too I want to point out is saying I believe that you have no right in the jail.
Yes.
What I told you before, how long have you been? How long have you been? Now, you realize that one of the violations you guys. Your mom. You shouldn't have been in the car with the fire. So we have today, people here on the ownership, they got the gun. You were not your father. You should have told me that. You push the box. these problems will come up. The monitor us, or any other type of monitor. I try to get that contract. You do not have any assets, bank accounts or anything like that. I idea this money cases that you don't have anything to post. You have enough to post reasonable. I have nothing to do.
Give me just a second. Thank you.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah. What was your last job? No. What were you doing? Wagon? So you were old school job. And you don't have one more thing.
It's your
Judge, my concern is this. He's on probation for being involved in a shooting, 2 deadly crimes. There was a situation where shot to the police. He was on one side of that, and obviously he was cooperation from either side, and so he didn't tolerate it. He would have in the car with 2 other guys, 3 people with a gun. Once officer tries to pull them over, and they slow roll for a few more blocks. Quite the lead for fleeing a police officer and evading a murder. Unfortunately, that time, the gun could not be jacked. Pulling over, and we got back to it. But I don't have full support for all the detail, so we can come back to the problem. Cause that. The lead individual he was with was David Payne. If it's not in that probable cause, I believe it's not. Ask the executive strategy doctor.
Who was in the car with you?
No.
Okay. Lyndon LaSalle Jr.
Look this up, Mr. Barrington. There is a Lyndon LaSalle Sr. He's a felon. Lyndon LaSalle Jr. Smith said, I'm not assuming firing about felon case several years ago. And that's what I'll call him.
Okay.
He's certainly
So he's a prior felon.
I think he had a felon. He had a felon prior.
Okay, but not on anything right now.
No, I don't believe he actually does.
Who was the other person that was in the car?
Lord Collins.
It doesn't matter to me, honestly. At this point, it doesn't matter. Okay. What else? Anything else?
Just of course, being so violent, this will be how you find get feeding certain things involved.
Yeah. So, Mr. Adams, the deadly conducts aren't just. I mean, it was a shootout between. I mean, it's just more of the same. Hang on. It's right now. Is probably not a good time for you to say anything, like Mr. Burbank. So. First case, or the 2 cases that you're on probation for, 2 people actually got shot. So you and whoever were shooting at each other, you admitted it to the police officers that day. So there's no, I didn't do it. You admitted to it. You pled guilty to it. And 2 people got shot, whether it was your bullets or whoever else was shooting. Y'all were all shooting at each other because your grandma's car got shot at. So obviously y'all were getting shot at. Y'all were shooting at people. The people who had nothing to do with it ended up getting shot, and you got deferred probation, sent you to ISF, right? So you've already been to ISF, so that you could get right, get the tools to make better decisions. And here you are out at 11:30 at night with 3 guns in the car, smelling like marijuana, cruising around doing what when you're supposed to be at home? With 3 guns in the car. Should you have been at the party? Okay. So, it's hard for me to believe.
At this point, the court focused on risk, not promises. 2 people had already been shot in the earlier case. Now the defendant was again surrounded by firearms. Probation only works when rules are followed.
When you're out at a party and you're on 2 felony probations, 2 people getting shot, that you just ended up in some car, why didn't you pull over? I'm not asking you to answer right now, but you didn't pull over when they asked you to. And they got behind you, you kept going. So at this time, I'm going to find all right, I'll grant the motions, but I'm setting the bonds in each cases at $200,000. A condition of those bonds, if you make them, is that you will be required, and I thought at some point I put you on house arrest, but I guess you weren't on house arrest at the time of this, or were you supposed to be on house arrest? Okay, so you will be, if you make the bonds of $200,000 in each case, then conditions of those bonds are that you have to wear a GPS monitoring device and you will be on house arrest. You cannot leave your house except to come to court or visit with Mr. Burbank without my permission. Do you understand? All right, go back to the bailiff.
The judge granted bond, but under strict control. House arrest, GPS monitoring, and a $400,000 total bond. The message was clear: public safety comes first.